Creating a safe and harmonious environment for both your furry friends and your indoor plants can be a challenge. As a pet owner, you want to ensure that the plants you bring into your home are non-toxic and safe for your beloved dogs. Fortunately, there are plenty of beautiful, pet-safe indoor plants that can coexist peacefully with your canine companions. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best pet-safe indoor plants, specifically chosen for their dog-friendly qualities and easy care. 1. Boston Fern. The Boston Fern is a popular choice for pet owners due to its air-purifying qualities and non-toxic nature. Its lush, feathery fronds create a tropical ambience in your home while posing no harm to your dogs. 2. Areca Palm. The Areca Palm is not only a visually appealing addition to your indoor space but also a safe choice for households with dogs. This palm species filters the air and adds a touch of elegance without posing any harm to your furry friends. 3. Spider Plant. The spider plant is a resilient and pet-friendly houseplant that produces long, arching foliage. It's known for its air-purifying abilities and is completely safe for dogs. Even if your curious pup takes a nibble, it won't cause harm. 4. Money Tree. The money tree is a popular indoor plant that is said to bring good luck and prosperity. This pet-safe plant features glossy, palmate leaves and can tolerate varying light conditions, making it an easy care choice for dog owners. 5. Calathea. Calathea plants come in a variety of striking patterns and colors, making them a favorite among plant enthusiasts. These pet-safe plants thrive in low to moderate light conditions and require consistent humidity. 6. Boston Ivy. If you're looking for a pet-safe vine to add greenery to your walls, Boston Ivy is an excellent choice. Its stunning foliage turns vibrant shades of red and orange in the fall, providing a beautiful backdrop without posing a threat to your dogs. 7. Christmas Cactus. The Christmas cactus is a popular flowering plant known for its vibrant blooms during the holiday season. This pet-safe succulent-like plant adds a pop of color to your home without posing any risks to your dogs if they happen to sniff or nibble on it. 8. Polka Dot Plant. The polka dot plant is a playful and pet-friendly houseplant that features brightly colored leaves adorned with polka dot patterns. It thrives in bright, indirect light and brings a lively touch to any space without harming your furry friends. 9. Friendship Plant. The friendship plant, also known as the pilea, is a charming pet-safe houseplant with textured leaves that form attractive mounds. It's low maintenance and perfect for dog owners seeking a beautiful addition to their indoor plant collection. 10. Parlor Palm. The Parlor Palm is an elegant and non-toxic houseplant that thrives in low-light conditions. Its delicate fronds add a touch of greenery and serenity to your home while ensuring the safety of your canine companions. Creating a dog-friendly indoor garden is possible with these 10 pet-safe plants. From the lush fronds of the Boston Fern to the vibrant patterns of the polka dot plant. These houseplants offer beauty, air purification, and peace of mind for dog owners. Remember to still observe your dog's behavior around plants and discourage them from chewing or ingesting any plant material. By carefully selecting and maintaining pet-safe indoor plants, you can create a safe and visually appealing environment that both you and your dogs will enjoy.